Okay, hello everyone. I'm teacher Awatif and I'll be teaching you English Year 3 Al-Farabi. So this is our first PDPR lesson on 26 January 2021. Okay, now let's start. Okay, so we're going to use this textbook, Get Smart Plus 3. Okay, this is your textbook. Okay, for this first lesson, we're going to do listening skill. Okay, the main skill is listening. Listen, listening, mendengar. Okay, at the end of this lesson, pupils will be able to first listen to the song and circle the correct answers. Second, draw your favorite character. Okay, now, please open your textbook, page 5. Okay, page 5. Okay, you will see this page. Okay, on this page, okay, first of all, we are going to sing the song. Okay, we are going to sing this song, Smart Friends. So, I'm going to play this song through YouTube. Okay, you can also search this song from Get Smart Plus 3 Module 1 Smart Friends song from the YouTube. Okay, now let's listen. You can repeat a few times if you want, and you can also do the action.
Module 1. Welcome. Sing a song. Smart Friends.
Hello, I'm Sharky. I'm a big fish. I've got big teeth and 3 purple fins.
Who's that? Who's that? What's his name?
His name is Greg. He's got brown eyes. His hair is brown. He's very nice.
Who's that? Who's that? What's her name?
Her name is Anna. She's got blonde hair. Her eyes are green. She's a pretty girl.
Okay, so this is the song. You can hear it. You can repeat the songs as many times as you like. Okay. Okay, now let's look at the flashcards. Okay, the first word that you have to know is pretty. Repeat after me. Pretty. Once again, pretty. Okay, look at this woman's face. Okay, this is Datuk Sri Siti Nurhaliza. She's very pretty. What is pretty? Yes, cantik. Okay, next one is ugly. Ugly. Okay, repeat after me. Ugly. Okay, look at this woman's face. Okay, she is ugly. Okay, ugly is hodo. Next, straight hair. Straight hair. Straight hair. Okay, look at her hair. Her hair is very straight. Straight means lurus. Rambut lurus. Okay, next one is curly hair. Curly hair. Curly hair. Okay, look at her hair. Okay, her hair is curly. Curly. Rambut kerinting. Okay, next, blonde hair. Blonde hair. Blonde hair. Okay, look at her hair. The color of the hair is blonde. We call it blonde. sorry, we call it blonde. Okay, and the last one is purple. Purple, purple. So this is purple. Okay, the color is purple. Okay, now please take out your module that you have taken from school. Okay, this is your module. Okay, look at this page. Make sure you write down your name and your class. Okay, class 3 Al-Farabi. Okay, so let's do this module. Okay, first you have to read the instruction. Okay, listen and circle the correct answers. Okay, listen means listen, dengar, and circle. Circle, bulatkan the correct answer. Jawapan yang betul. So you have to. I will play the song again, and then please listen first, and then you can circle the correct answer.
Module 1. Welcome. Sing a song. Smart friends.
Sorry.
Module 1. Welcome. Sing a song. Smart friends.
Hello, I'm Sharky. I'm a big fish. I've got big teeth and 3 purple fins.
Who's that? Who's that? What's his name?
His name is Greg. He's got brown eyes. His hair is brown. He's very nice.
Who's that? Who's that? What's her name?
Her name is Anna. She's got blonde hair. Her eyes are green. She's a pretty girl.
Okay, so you can play the songs as many times as you like, and then once you get the answer, for example, hello, I'm Sharky, then take your pencil, or you can also use your color pencil, and then circle Sharky. Okay, I'm a big what? Big shark, big fish, or big seal? Okay, it's big fish. Okay, so you have to circle big fish. Okay, and do the rest of the exercise. Okay, this worksheet. Okay, the next one is you have to draw your favorite character in the song. Okay, based on the song, there are 3 characters. Okay, Sharky, Anna, and Greg. You have to choose only one character, whether it's Sharky, Anna, or Greg, and draw here. Draw and then color. Okay, once you have finished doing your worksheet, please take a picture of your worksheet. You can ask your mother or father to help you, and then please PM me your worksheet. Okay, send to my number personally. Okay, so I hope you can do this exercise at home. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you, and I will see you again in the next class. Okay, and please stay safe. Stay safe. Sorry. Okay. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.